I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check Android version and model in About Phone because options vary. Once done, make sure your battery is above 20% and enable developer options only if you need extra scaling controls. Now open Settings, then tap Display to access text and screen size controls. You start here to avoid dead ends. The display panel is where system-wide scaling lives, so focus on the available display size and font size sliders. You'll now change the visible elements. Move the font size slider to increase or decrease text. The preview updates instantly so you can test readability. Next, adjust display size or screen zoom to scale icons, buttons, and layout. This changes touch targets, so be deliberate. If you need more precision, open Accessibility and enable magnification or custom DPI via developer options. These give finer control but may affect app layouts. Make sure to test the home screen and one app after each adjustment. You finish by confirming changes across common apps and then restart the device. This resolves many stubborn layout glitches. If some apps look misaligned, revert the last change or restore display to default and test again, because some apps don't honor custom DPI. Make sure to record which settings you changed so you can backtrack. If issues persist, clear the affected app cache, update the app and system, or use safe mode to isolate conflicts. This typically solves compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.